Guys, yesterday we did tutorial on Unity AI tools. So I show you that Atlas 3D asset creator. So this was AI asset and that was approved by Unity. But what happens today is that here you can see here is the Atlas and here is Atlas, but now Unity have removed this asset from asset store. The simple reason is that yesterday on 26th June Unity launched this, and that was not Unity asset but someone just collaboration with Unity. So people starting using it and there was 9 people who use it, and due to this asset Unity AI thing was getting down, so 9 people give rating. That was not good rating, so Unity just dropped this asset from asset store. Basically I use this asset. When you will go on asset store, here you can see there is no any asset store, and when you will go on asset store you will search. So here you can see unfortunately SL3RK is no longer available, so they have basically deprecated this one, and the reason was simple is that there was not proper feedback. I also used this one, but the issue was there was not any proper AI in this. It was just only that you can go and search anything, like I search 3D character, so there will be multiple 3D character uploaded by peoples. You will be able to import and use in Unity directly. So people were commenting that that is not good, that is not proper, so that was not good result. So that's why they remove it. But personally I use it. That was not so much bad, so it should not remove. Means if in the case if you want to create any prototype, so that was a very useful Atlas, but that was not so much good in terms of polygon, because there are so many 3D objects that was very high polygon. So that was issue. That was not getting generated by AI, that was just only search and then import inside the Unity. So that is the reason that they removed Atlas tool from the Unity. Okay, so currently it is not available and it was launched just 3 days ago.